Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12, and also today we'll learn a new topic in the chapter Dividend and Interest. Unpaid and unclaimed dividend. Students, you all are familiar with this word dividend. Dividend, it is a portion of profit of the company which company distribute to its shareholders. Also, it is an return on investment to the shareholders. So let us study what is unpaid and unclaimed dividend. Unpaid dividend is said to be that dividend which company has declared but has not been paid within the 30 days of its declaration to the shareholders. That is known as unpaid dividend. Whereas unclaimed dividend is said to be that dividend which is declared by the company but has not been claimed. Claimed means demanded by our shareholders within the 30 days of its declaration. It is known as unclaimed dividend. In simple term, unpaid और unclaimed dividend ये वो डिविडेंड कहलाते हैं कि जब कंपनी डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर तो किया है लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन के डेट से 30 दिन के अंदर शेयर होल्डर्स को डिविडेंड दिया नहीं है, पे नहीं किया है, उसे हम कहते हैं अनपेड डिविडेंड। और कंपनी ने डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर तो किया है, पे कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो डिक्लेरेशन के डेट से 30 दिन के अंदर कोई शेयर होल्डर ने आके डिविडेंड के लिए डिमांड नहीं किया है, उसे हम कहते हैं unclaimed dividend. So the difference between unpaid and unclaimed is unpaid is said to be not paid and unclaimed is said to be not claimed. Rules for unpaid unclaimed dividend. There is a provision, that is rules to unpaid unclaimed dividend which every company has to follow. Students, if the company has declared the dividend but the amount, that is dividend, remains unpaid or unclaimed, then at such case the company will open unpaid dividend account in the scheduled bank where they will transfer all the amount, that is the dividend which remains unpaid unclaimed, that amount they will transfer to unpaid dividend account. और ये अमाउंट जो अनपेड अनक्लेम डिविडेंड का है वो कंपनी को 37 डेज के अंदर कंपनी को ट्रांसफर करना होगा अनपेड डिविडेंड अकाउंट में। हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, कंपनी को ये अमाउंट 37 डेज के अंदर अनपेड डिविडेंड अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करना होगा। आफ्टर ट्रांसफर ऑफ एन अमाउंट that is of unpaid and unclaimed to the unpaid dividend account within 90 days from it, 90 दिन के अंदर, company shall prepare a statement containing the names, addresses and the unpaid dividend to be paid to each person and place it on the website of the company and also any other website approved by the central government. If any person claiming means demanding, मांग कर रहा है, दावा कर रहा है, to any money that has been transferred to the unpaid dividend account, then such person can apply to the company for payment of the money. Also, the money which is transferred to the unpaid dividend account, if it remains unpaid, unclaimed for a period of 7 years, 7 साल के लिए, from the date of such transfer, then such transfer will be transferred by the company to the Investors Education and Protection Fund. हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, जो अमाउंट अनपेड डिविडेंड अकाउंट में रखा है, वो तारीख से लेकर उसके 7 साल होने के बाद कंपनी को वो अमाउंट इन्वेस्टर्स एजुकेशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन फंड में ट्रांसफर करना होगा। द क्लेमेंट वो पर्सन कहलाता है जो क्लेम करता है, डिमांड कर रहा है, दावा कर रहा है। उसे सारा प्रोसीजर कंप्लीट करना होगा और साथ ही जरूरी डॉक्यूमेंट्स देना होगा, जिससे IEPF दैट इज इन्वेस्टर्स एजुकेशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन फंड से उसे अमाउंट मिले जिसका उसने क्लेम किया है। Modes of payment of dividend. Students, modes means ways. Let's discuss the different ways in which dividend can be paid by the company to its shareholder. The very first mode of making payment is dividend warrant. Dividend warrant, it is a check that is sent by a company to the shareholders on their registered address. Second mode of making payment is through the dividend mandate. When the company pay dividend directly to shareholders bankers, that is in the shareholders bank account, that is said to be the dividend mandate. Last mode of making payment of dividend is through electronic mode. When a company through use of RBI approved electronic mode of payment such as electronic clearing services, national electronic fund transfer, through use of this two electronic mode, when company make payment of dividend to its shareholders is said to be the electronic mode. Hence, dividend can be payable in cash or may be paid by check or warrant or by electronic mode to the shareholders. Thank you.